Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we're going to talk about changing your age on the Badoo dating application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Badoo dating application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, use your credentials to log into your account. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start matching with various users. Now, if you wish to change your date of birth or your age, then tap on the profile menu at the bottom right. Then tap on your profile icon and you will find the edit profile button. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on your username and you will find your date of birth. However, unlike all of the other options, your date of birth is not changeable, which means you cannot tap on it. So if you wish to change this, then you will need to contact the customer support team for the Badoo dating app. From your profile icon, tap on the gear icon at the top right and then tap on Help Center. From the Help Center option, you will be able to browse through the various questions and you will find how you can contact the customer support. Just tap on the feedback form and you will be able to ask any question to the support team. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about changing your age on the Badoo dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.